Hello my loves, how are you today? In the studio today, I wanted to learn a bit more about how to use brushes. I know that sounds really basic and something I should know by now, but there's a reason why I am doing this now. As I told you in yesterday's video, I have started to learn how to paint landscapes. I've started to watch classes and I was immediately intimidated. To see an artist just put together a painting with mountains and trees with perfect brushwork when I didn't know how to make those shapes with those brushes really intimidated me. I needed a way to dip my toes into landscapes by learning how to make tree shapes and bush shapes with my brushes. Thankfully, I found a class by Sterling Edwards online that was teaching just that. I will leave a link down below to the class if you're interested. I am not sponsored by them. In the class, he goes through all the different ways you can use each type of brush. It is all about his own brand brush though, and it can get a little bit sales pitchy. I don't have any of his brushes, but I do have a ton of brushes, so I thought, why not use his exercise to learn about and compare the different brand brushes I have. I have listed all the brushes I used in this video down in the description below, but for the round brushes I compared the Escoda Ultimo Pro Arte Prolene Plus and Princeton Heritage 4050R. I found the Princeton Heritage the best for thin straight lines and the Ultimo best for scumbling. For the Rigger I compared De La Rowney Graduate, Pro Arte Prolene Plus and Princeton Heritage 4050, and I found De La Rowney to be too springy for curves and it makes you do a zigzag line kind of type thing. Princeton perfect for straight lines, but you do need to be careful with how much pressure you put on the brush, and Prolene Plus was easiest for curved lines. The most fun I had was with the Prolene Plus flat half-inch brush. I adored making little spiky bushes with the brush, and I would love to do a painting with that motif, although I'm not quite sure how to develop that motif into an entire painting just yet. The Bristle Brush made making grass and trees so easy. I had a lot of fun doing that. All in all, this was a fun exercise to do, and it opened up a whole new world of expression with brushes that I didn't have before, and possibilities that I never imagined were there in my dear old brushes. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video encouraged you to have a play with your brushes, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!